Raise your hand if you have nasty, crusty feet.
Raise your hand up.
Just me? You either love them or you hate them, or you have one of those real weird fetish things going on. Summer is around the corner, so stick around and I'm about to tell you my top 3 products to get your nasty feet taken care of.
Nice.
Listen, if you can physically remove yourself from your soul-sucking children to go get a pedicure, that's the obvious choice. Nothing more humbling than when your nail technician hollers across the nail salon while simultaneously gagging in her mask to look at the absolute monstrosity that is a pile of grated DNA that she has removed from your heels.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
And it does make me question my life choices, mainly wearing sandals and coming to that salon in the first place.
Oh, hell no!
But you know what? I can walk on a blazing hot driveway in the middle of the summer sun and not feel a thing, so who's winning? But if you're busy AF, then stick around. I've tried a lot of different treatments. So obviously the pumice stone thing, this is for novices. If your feet are tender like a small baby chick, then this might work for you. This is nothing. My feet will eat this like a hungry, hungry hippo.
Electrocuted all of us now.
I didn't even open that thing because it's worthless to me. I need serious, drastic measures. The peel mask, and what you do, it's quite alarming. I don't even know how to explain this, but you know I'm gonna try. Cut open the booties. They have some sort of chemical ingredient in them, which, as I'm saying it, sounds quite toxic. Cut open the booties, you stick your feet in there for some amount of time, 60 minutes. You let your feet marinate like a steak for 60 minutes.
Give your meat a good old rub. Yeah, boy, oh, man.
And then over the next 14 business days, your feet will start sloughing like a desert iguana. It was an experience. It didn't hurt at all. It feels like, I was scared. I held onto this package for a long time before I did it. It feels like it should hurt, but it doesn't hurt at all. I actually did watch somebody else's YouTube, and it was years ago, so I don't know what her channel was, but I'm sure you can just Google it and somebody has documented the process. I am not gonna document the process for you because that's gross, but somebody out there on YouTube has, and it is beneficial because then you know what to expect. And then they're supposed to be smooth like a baby's butt. This is not actually a cheese grater. I mean, to me, it's the exact same thing, but it's sold as like a pedicure thing. And I got it on Amazon, and for the life of me, I don't know why I didn't order one ages ago, because it was cheap. It was like maybe, I would say under $10. Soak your feet, and then you just like cheese grate them away, and it works really, really well. And again, that didn't hurt at all. And that is a 10 out of 10. Like, no questions asked, 10 out of 10 product. I would recommend that to anyone who has gnarly feet. Professional grade electric foot callus remover, and this thing is legit. Sounds like I have a real issue, which I do. This like tube, and then these heads, and they're all the same grate, which is serious grate. It will burn if you hit like too much. If you like stay in one position for too long, it will definitely be like, ow.
I'm obsessed with this.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my content, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you again in the next one.